Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for deciding to click on today's video. We are going to be doing a PR unboxing. I have here a bunch of packages that I've saved up from the week that we are going to be opening in today's video. So if you guys want to see what those are, go ahead and keep on watching. My hair is doing kind of its own thing today. It's looking a little bit crazy, but we're just gonna go with it. My sister did braids yesterday, and I feel like whenever she does braids, for some reason, it kind of just, I don't know, messes with what my hair looks like. But this first box is from Pixi, and I am opening it up, and it looks like we have a bag on the inside here. So we have this cute little rose bag. I'm assuming this is gonna be some of their rose products. Aw, cute, it has like the little pixies on the little zippers here. So let me open this up. Okay, so it says, Dear Molly, bon voyage. Or how do you say that? Bon voyage? I know what I'm trying to say. Bon voyage. I wish you a rosy journey and hope your rose infusion favorites will take you along on a hydrated journey to the dream skin. Thank you for being all Pixi love. Okay, cool. So they sent over a bunch, bon voyage. Bon voyage? I'm still trying to say that. They sent us a bunch of like, this is cute, it's like a little postcard. They sent us a bunch of little travel size items, it looks like, in this really nice bag. Look at how cute this bag is right here. This is cute. Okay, so inside of here we have Rose Central. So there are a bunch of rose products in here. So first we have the Rose Cream Cleanser, and I've actually never tried this one. This one isn't a travel size, this is a full size, but I'm excited to try this out. I always love finding new cleansers. Up next, we have the Rose Cream. So this one is an intensive moisturizer in here. We have the Rose Tonic, which I actually never tried either. So this is like their original Glow Tonic, but a rose version. So that's awesome. And then we have some little makeup wipes. These are their Makeup Melting Cleansing Cloths, and these have chamomile and rose in them. And then in the next flap here, we have a few sprays, it looks like. So the first one is this Rose Glow Mist. I do really like their Glow Mist. I feel like it's a dupe for higher end Glow Mist. And then we also have the Makeup Fixing Mist, and this one has rose water and green tea. So two different ones of those. We have their Rose Oil Blend. This is a serum. I've actually used this one. It's a face oil. And then we have the Rose Flash Balm, and then also the Rose Caviar Essence, which I've heard really good things about both of these products. And I can put them all back into this little bag here. I'm definitely going to use this for travel. It looks really nice. I like the fact that it has this little flap here on the top too, where they had the little card. You could just put like some products in there and then also zip them in here, fold it all up, and travel with this. I think it's really cute. It also has a little hanger on here. I'm not sure if they sell this, but if they do, I feel like it's a nice little travel item to have. So thank you, Pixi, for this very generous package. Okay, so up next we got something from Wonder Beauty. Okay, so inside of here we have a hat, and it says no days off. Aw, this is cute. So it just says no days off, a little pink hat. I feel like I'm not the girl that can pull off hats. I don't know. I always try and wear them, and I just can't pull them off. So it says your beauty routine takes no days off. Very true. It's definitely a routine for sure. So we have this little bag of products in here. I feel like I should take this hat off because I can't take myself seriously with it on. Oh, now my hair's really crazy. I feel like, I don't know, I'm just not a hat person. I don't know. So we have this bag, and then on inside we have this Drift Away Cleanser. Ooh, another cleanser to try out. I really, really love trying cleansers. I wonder if this is one of the ones that you have to like, I'm gonna open it up and see. Nope, okay, because I like the ones that you have to like pump and then you cut it, like it comes out of the top. I was kind of trying to think if maybe that would be one of those with the packaging here, but it's not. And then we also have two other products in here. So we have the Extra Mileage. Ooh, this is a hair refresher. What is this? Okay, so it says, get the most mileage out of your hair. A revolutionary liquid hair refresher absorbs as excess oil, provides natural looking texture, and promotes healthier or stronger hair. Ooh, this is cool. So it's kind of like, almost like a dry shampoo, really? maybe. I don't know. We'll have to try this one. And then we have the Dive In Moisturizer. This is a cream hydrating moisturizer. So super cute little bag. Again, this says no days off on it. Really cute. Thank you so much to Wander Beauty. I'm going to try to mess with that hat a little more and see if I can't, you know, wear it maybe on a bad hair day. Maybe I could have worn it today. So this next little package came in to my P.O. box. Oh, yay. Okay, so I know exactly what this is. So this is a new lash line from my friend. I'm so excited about this. So this is my friend's new lash company. She named it Bella Lashes, and her name is Lady on Instagram, and she is seriously the sweetest. I met her at the Last Gen Beauty, and she is so sweet. It has like a bunch of little stars in here. Let me get those off first, and then I can show you guys the lashes. But look at how pretty she looks on that card, and then she has a couple other pictures here on the back. And I love the packaging on these lashes. Seriously, so fun. It's holographic. I was able to get most of the stars off, and now we have the lashes. These are really pretty. So here is the lashes right here. Actually, these look really nice. They're very wispy, and they have a lot of like flair to them, which I like. So these ones, I'm not sure what style they are in. It doesn't really say on the box. I'm not sure if this is maybe the Bella lashes. This is the only one she has. I'm not exactly sure, but these look really pretty. I'm excited to try them out. And again, I love this lash packaging. I feel like it's different, how they're just in there like that. I think it's really cute. So thank you so much, lady. I'm so proud of you and so excited to try these out. We have a package from Benefit, and I am a part of their Club Pink, so I receive monthly packages from them. So this month they sent over their roller products. So they have some brand new roller products that they did come out with. You guys know I love their roller lash mascara. So we have inside of here a new eyeliner from them. So this is their roller liner, and this is a true matte eyeliner. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this, guys, so you can see how it looks. It's the same as their roller lash with the packaging with the pink top, and the pencil on it actually looks really, ooh, it's very black. The pencil looks really nice. It's just like a felt tip liner pencil. Here is a swatch of that. And then they also came out with the rim brightener with that as well. So this is an Eye Bright pencil, and this is one that you just put into your waterline. And you guys know I use the highbrow for that all the time, so I'm wondering if this formula is gonna be similar to that. So I'm gonna go ahead and roll this guy up. So here's what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can really tell, and I'm gonna swatch it. So it's just gonna be like a nude. I don't think it's the same shade. It looks a little bit darker than the highbrow. So I'll have to give this one a try. It doesn't go back down, so hopefully I didn't put it too high up there. And they also sent over a roller lash, which is my favorite mascara, and then these really cute glasses. Look at these glasses. These are fun. We have all the things to try on today. I don't know if that's really my look, but these are cute. So thank you, Benefit, for this cute little package. I'll definitely be trying those roller products really soon. So up next, we have something from Global Beauty Care, and let's see what we have inside of here. Ooh, we have some new eye masks. So these are their Hydro Gel Under Eye Pads. Ooh, these are gold ones, so they're right here. So they're actually just gel pads that you're gonna put underneath your eyes. So it says here that these are going to smooth and soften, hydrate, and rejuvenate your eyes. So I'll definitely have to give these a try. I really like a lot of Global Beauty Care's products. I feel like they're very affordable. I see them a lot at like Marshalls and TJ Maxx too, so you can always find deals on this brand. But I'll definitely have to give these ones a try, and thank you so much to Global Beauty Care. They're always so sweet to me. All right, and then up next, we got this giant box here. This is from Buxom, and this box is literally huge. Let's see what we have inside. So we have a bunch of foam first off. So let me pull this open. Oh, this is cute. Okay, hold on. We're getting there. Let me get this foam out of the box. So inside of here, oh, this is so cute. So we have a little plane. How cute is this? Oh my gosh. Okay, so, all right, now that we've got it out, it says, extend your vacay glow, and it says Buxom on top here. And let's go ahead. How do we open this? I'm definitely keeping this packaging. How fun is this? This is so cute. Okay, so let me pull this open. So it says Buxom Wonderlust Collection. And here's the inside. This is so cute. So they came out with, it looks like, some new blushes. So it looks like here that they're gonna have new blushes to correlate with different lip creams that they have from different places. So we have Dolly, which you guys know is my absolute favorite lip balm from them ever. Havana, we have Ibiza, Mykonos. So let me pull out some of these blushes so we can swatch them. I'm gravitating towards the one that says Havana because this color is just like my kind of color of blush. I love like pinky rosier blushes. So this one is Havana and it's called the Wonderlust formula. Ooh, it feels really nice. And let me go ahead and swatch it. So it is going to be a matte blush. I don't really see, actually I do see a tiny bit of shimmer in there. Nothing too crazy. So there is the shade Havana. I bet these are going to blend out really nicely. Like even just rubbing them in, they feel super soft. So there's that shade. Let me try Dolly because that one is my favorite lip product from them. Here's what Dolly looks like, and we'll give this one a swatch. These feel really nice, like I was saying. Here is the shade Dolly. So this next one is Mykonos, and this one looks really pretty. It's kind of more of like a peachier pink. And let me swatch. Ooh, that one's pretty. This one, I feel like I'm gonna love that, especially in the summertime. That one is really unique. I don't know if I have a lot of blushes like that in my collection. And then also the lip color, I don't own this one. So this one looks really pretty. So this again is their full-on lip plumping cream formula. And let me swatch Mykonos. I'm not sure if some of these shades are new. I know some of them are like returning shades with Dolly and stuff, but I'm not sure if a few of these are newer shades. But there's what Mykonos looks like. That one looks really cute. And then I want to swatch the Ibiza one because this one looks really nice. So here's the lip cream, and let me swatch this one. This is one of my favorite formulas of lip gloss ever. I rave about these all the time because they are so nice. Ooh, pretty. Like I said, Dolly is my favorite. I went through multiple tubes of Dolly. Like this is my #1 most repurchased lip product that I've ever worn. So I really love that. I love this package. It is seriously so cute. So thank you, Buxom. I'm definitely gonna put this in my room somewhere because how could I not keep this? It's so fun. So we just have one more package to get into here. This one is going to be a little bit of a smaller PR unboxing. I'm doing this video earlier in the week than I normally would, so we have kind of less packages. But the next one here is from Physician's Formula, and I've actually already gotten to play with this package and with the products inside. So they sent me over the butter collection. This is in collaboration with Casey Holmes. If you guys haven't seen it yet, I did put up my like first impressions on this little bundle right here. This is super cute. So inside of here you have a bronzer, a blush, a highlight, 4 different eyeshadows, a lip color, and a perfume. You get all this for 20 bucks. It's super pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch a couple of the face colors to show you guys. But if you wanna see me kind of trying everything out and my opinion on the products, look at how pretty these swatches are, so good. If you wanna check that out, you can. This was my first time also trying out the butter formula of their eyeshadows. So I did give those a try in my little first impressions. So I'll link it up in the cards for you. Here are a couple swatches from the eyeshadow side. I can just smell this collection. I love the butter formula. I love the way it smells. And I feel like I want to spray this perfume now because it's so good. I love the smell of it so much. Oh, yes, like it smells like a tropical vacation. Like with that little plane right there, with this, I'm feeling like I need to go somewhere warm. It's pretty cold out today. It's yucky, it's snowy. So maybe I need to just book myself a vacation. Okay, and after that package from Physician's Formula, that is going to do it for this week's PR unboxing and haul. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing some of these new releases. Let me know if there's anything you guys want to see like a dedicated video on, or you want to see me use in a first impressions, you want to see it on Instagram. Let me know down below in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you guys go, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, friends.